I will find myself in a place where children can be children, and so can adults. I will awaken to the surprise of a desert blooming overnight. I will catch waves in 2 different oceans where surfing doesn't require a mouse.
Visit Cape Town and the Western Cape and feel renewed, rejuvenated and refreshed. It's time to live again.
Tourism is awesome!
Hey yo, I order you to take tourism quite interesting, you know?
Toerisme was baie interessant hier.
Toerisme is 'n great vak. Ek wil regtig almal van julle vat dit. Dis regtig maklike punte en met mevrou Hubert behoort jy baie goed te doen en ek dink dit sal 'n baie goeie keuse wees om toerisme te vat.
Because it's exciting and it gets me to know more about other lands and traveling.
It's my first year taking tourism and I found it actually quite interesting and exciting. And I never knew tourism was such a big thing. So that's why I really tourism.
Okay, toerisme is lekker om met leer 'n bietjie oor wat rondom jou aangaan en soos met sien jou omgewing en dan ook anders perspektief. Ja, en jy veral sterk juffrou.
I chose tourism because I wanted to learn more about other countries and it's very interesting, guys. I think you should take it.